Okay, in this question we have x is greater than 1, column A, and we have column B. We have x over x plus 1, and we have negative x, 1 minus x. So what we want to note here is that because x is greater than 1, this of course always has to be positive, and this number always has to be less than 1. So if we plugged in 1, we would get 1/2. If we plugged in a much larger number like 10, we'd get 10 over 11. But no matter what number we plug in for x here, because of this plus 1 in the denominator, this always has to be less than 1. Now, what happens here? Well, we stick a number in for x, let's say plug in 2, get negative 2 over 1 minus negative 2, or 1 minus, sorry, 2, which is negative 1, and we get 2. So what's happening here is, because I'm subtracting an x that's greater than 1, I'm always going to have a negative in the denominator. And of course, there's a negative in the numerator. So this is always going to be a positive number. The next insight is to say, well, this is always going to be 1 greater on the top. So if we plug in 5, then the top's going to be 5, or the numerator is going to be 5, and the bottom is going to be 4. So you can see that if we plug in 4 here, or rather, sorry, 5 here, we get 5/6. And remember, no matter what number you plug in an A, it can never be greater than 1. Whereas here, it's always going to be greater than 1. Therefore, the answer is B.